What if an AI agent could quietly rewrite your most critical code, break a 56-year-old computing record, and save your company hundreds of millions of dollars? That's exactly what Google's AlphaEvolve just did. And it's a wake-up call for every enterprise leader who thinks AI agents are still just a lab experiment. Built by DeepMind, AlphaEvolve autonomously rewrites important code and has already reclaimed 0.7% of Google's total compute capacity across its global data centers. That might sound small, but when your annual infrastructure budget runs into the tens of billions, that's hundreds of millions in savings. Enough to pay for training a flagship AI model like Gemini Ultra, which is estimated to cost around $191 million. Before we break down how they pulled this off, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below so you don't miss the next big AI breakthrough. Here's the real insight. AlphaEvolve isn't magic. It's an engineered system, what's best described as an agent operating system. At its core is a controller, two powerful models, Gemini Flash for speed and Gemini Pro for depth, a versioned program memory database, and a fleet of evaluator workers. These pieces work together to evolve code, test it automatically, and keep only the highest performing changes. The secret sauce? Automated evaluation. Every code change is scored by a machine-gradable metric. First, ultra-fast unit tests make sure the snippet compiles and works. Then, heavier benchmarks and model-based reviews filter out the rest. This multi-objective approach doesn't just keep things safe. It actually improves results by encouraging more diverse solutions. AlphaEvolve also uses a two-model rhythm. Gemini Flash brainstorms quick drafts, then Gemini Pro digs deeper into the best candidates. Every attempt is stored in a searchable history, so the agent learns from both successes and failures. Over time, it wastes less compute and delivers bigger wins. And these wins are measurable. In addition to reclaiming compute, AlphaEvolve has cut Gemini training kernel runtime by 23%, sped up Flash attention by 32%, and even simplified TPU design. All because it targets domains with airtight metrics, like latency, cost, and throughput, that the agent can optimize against without human intervention. But here's the reality check. This level of automation comes with prerequisites. You need problems with clear, automatable scoring. You need the compute capacity to run generation and testing in parallel. And your codebase needs to be ready for iterative, diff-based changes backed by persistent memory. The bottom line? AlphaEvolve proves that the real competitive edge isn't just in better models. It's in better systems. Deterministic evaluators, orchestration between fast and deep models, and persistent memory are now the foundation for deploying AI agents at scale. Google's blueprint is here. The question is, will you adapt it before your competitors do? Watch the related video in the corner to see how another AI agent is reshaping the way enterprises operate. And if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe. Your next big AI advantage might start here.